Hello guys, so in today's video we are going to solve Goa Board's SSC question paper of the year March 2019. So this paper is an English paper, okay. So in section C we have questions number 7a. Here we are given omissions, okay, or also called as preposition also, okay, and it appears for 3 marks, okay. So now the question is, Mira was dash dreamy kind of girl, okay. So now if we look at this sentence, then we'll come to know that Mira was is here. So was represents the tense of the sentence, okay. So this sentence is in past tense, okay. And now Mira is a girl's name, okay. So here we are going to have Mira was a dreamy kind of girl, okay. So A is the correct answer, okay, because Mira is a singular, right? She's a single person. Fine. So now we'll take the next one, that is, she always imagined dash as a grown up. So she always imagined dash as a grown up. So here the answer is herself. She always imagined herself as a grown up, okay. So before revealing the answers, I'll be taking a small pause, okay, so that you can pause this video and try to guess the answer, okay. If you know or if you already know the answer, you can let me know in my comment section, okay. So now we'll take the next sentence, that is, fortunately. Fortunately means luckily, okay. Fortunately for her, she possessed dash talents, okay. Now if we look here, we have this possessed represents this ed represents the past tense of the sentence, okay. And your talents, this is in plural, okay. So whenever the things are in plural, what we use? Fortunately for her, she possessed many talents, many, okay, because many talents we have, not only one talent but many talents, okay. Instead of many, we can even use several, okay. Fortunately for her, she possessed several talents, okay. So now take the next sentence, that is, she was smart dash class. This is a simple one. She was smart in class, okay. She was a good speaker, writer dash reader. Fine. Now if we look at this sentence properly, we can see that there are three important things. She was good at speaker, writer dash reader, okay. So these three things are there, okay. So whenever we want to separate the three things, we use comma to separate them, okay. Whenever we are giving example of some things, that time we use commas to separate them, okay. Fine. But at the last, whenever we are right before the last word, we write and, okay. For example, so first we'll try to understand what is and is used to connect two sentences, okay. It is used to join two or more expressions, okay. So here we have example, I like fruits and vegetables, okay. So here there are two things, fruits and vegetables. So that time when we are connecting two sentences, that time we use and, okay. Here if we suppose we have more than two things, okay, so that is three things, fruits, vegetables and meat, that time what we use? I like fruits, separation with comma, vegetables, and now finally we are ending this sentence with meat, right? That is the third example. So before the last example, we write and, okay. So I like fruits, vegetables and meat, okay. So here in this case we have three examples, that is speaker, writer and reader, okay. So before giving the last example, we always write and, okay. So she was good speaker, writer and reader. Fine. She had the brain dash a genius. Now this statement says that Mira was a very genius kind of person, okay. So and she had a brain of a genius, okay. So of is the correct answer. Fine. So guys, that's all we have in this today's video, okay. So I'll see you in my next video with a new topic. Till then, take care and keep learning. And one more thing guys, if you guys have any questions or any doubts, left unclear, you can let me know in my comment section. Okay, I'll definitely try to find some answers for your questions. Okay.